Hey there, fellow makers. If you ever wrestled with detaching prints from your SLA 3D printer's build plate, you're not alone. We've had our fair share of struggles, especially with those big flat prints that sometimes even leave little battle scars on the metal platform. So we hit the internet for a solution and discovered the magnetic platform. It's a game changer, well, almost, but more on that later. Here is how it works. It's a two-part setup. There is a magnetic base that sticks to your original platform of 3D printer with adhesive tape and a removable flexible steel sheet that snaps on top. Important note. The magnetic platform does slightly change the table height, so don't forget to recalibrate your printer after installation. Installation is easy, but you'll need to give the adhesive a full 24 hours to do its thing before you can start printing. Our test run. We kicked things off with a few bolt and nut style prints to check accuracy and try tackling the infamous elephant foot effect. This can be adjusted in Chitubox with a trusty caliper and some minor tweaking. Check the description below. However, our first prints were, let's call them, eventful. A few pieces slid right off the platform mid-print because of poor adhesion. Not exactly what we had in mind. The fix. After some quality time on YouTube and Reddit, we found the secret sauce. Sanding the steel sheet with 180 to 400 grit sandpaper. We started with an orbital sander, but it turned out too smooth. So we went old school, manual sanding in two crisscross patterns. And guess what? It worked like a charm. Prints finally stayed put. We put the updated platform to the test with a batch of 4 cm by 1 cm round tabs for custom silicone molds. Our latest test project, check our upcoming videos. Using Chitubox water washable black ABS like V2 resin, the parts detached effortlessly from the new flexible plate. No more crying, no cursing. We're super excited to share how we make those silicone molds in an upcoming video, so be sure to stay tuned. Happy printing and see you next time.